But coming from that pretty mouth, the truth is fitting. Cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you just get me. Yeah, you so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow. Everything sweet ain't sugar coated. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie.
Cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm dirty. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not babe. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You won't give me up when you make it. You'll try to come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not base. You wanna get with me, stop.
Don't let it go, let it go. Don't let it slip away.
Hey guys, it's Shay Diamond and I am back with another video. I'm finally doing a room tour in my college apartment. This video literally is so freaking long overdue, like so long overdue. But I'm finally doing it for you guys. You guys kind of already got a little montage glimpse of my room, but now I'm gonna kind of give you guys like an in-depth room tour. So yeah, without further ado, let's hop straight into it. Okay, so we're gonna start off here. This part of my room, you guys honestly probably see the most because this is where I do like all my clothing hauls, my try-on hauls, my get ready with me reels, like everything is over here. So you guys are definitely familiar with this part of my room. So right here we have all of my shoes. I have some more like outside of my room in front of the door, but these are like my favorite shoes that I keep in here. I have some on the floor and some on this cute little shoe rack that I got from Shein. Right here is my laundry bin. I have my little mannequin head right next to it. Then over here I just have a little clothing rack. This is where I hang some of my clothes, my pants. But I also have like a full dresser of clothes by my TV. So this is only like a portion of my clothes. My clothes are kind of like scattered everywhere, I'm not gonna lie. I'm really running out of space. But then in here we have all like my jackets, my sweaters, my coats. Up here is where I keep all of my hats. I have this little rack right here where I like to keep my robes. If you know, I'm a robe girly. I literally have a robe on right now, brand new. But I love keeping my robes right here. Definitely need to up my robe game. And then all the way back here, I have like all of my belts. So this whole area is mainly like my clothing area. I like to call it my closet corner. So yeah. So over here in this little corner by my door, I have this little stand that I got from Amazon. This is just like a makeup case that I don't really use, to be honest. I have some like lip glosses and stuff here, my perfumes, and then honestly a bunch of stuff. I honestly got this stand because I just had so much stuff that like needed to be organized, and I just literally threw everything in this stand. So that's why it's kind of just like a bunch of stuff on here. And then right here I have two bins. This bin is mainly filled with like Lysol, laundry stuff, a bunch of stuff like that. Then I have my cute little printer and my stencil printer for my tattoos. Right here I have this cute little Hello Kitty mirror. She's so cute, she lights up. And then in here I have little stress balls for my clients, because who wouldn't want a stress ball when you're getting tattooed? Like, come on. And then right here is kind of like my whole tattoo area. This is my chair, and then I have my tattoo table for my clients to lay on. I like to keep some pillows on here for them so they could be nice and comfortable. This is my little stand where I keep all the stuff that I need to tattoo. I have things like scissors, my gloves, alcohol, tattoo needles, paper towel, my little Hello Kitty spray bottle where I keep my alcohol. All that stuff stays on this little tray. Then over here, obviously I have my TV on top of my dresser. So this whole dresser is also filled with clothes. And then this is my little bag wall. This is where I keep most of my bags. I have some bags hanging like in other places, but this is mainly where I keep all of them. I have my fan for when it starts getting real hot up in here. And then this whole area is just a bunch of Hello Kitty stuff, y'all. Like literally, majority of this stuff is Hello Kitty. I have all my mugs right here, my cute little cups, my Hello Kitty water dispenser, this cute little LED sign that I've literally had since like my freshman year. I got some Funko Pops. These are so cute. My little Hello Kitty shot glasses. I have my Monster High doll. I'm definitely gonna start collecting more. Probably when I move out of my college apartment, y'all are gonna see like way more of that. And then I have some headphones and some other little collectibles. I'm gonna have to bring y'all closer for this. So inside here is basically like just a bunch of Hello Kitty themed food. I have some pasta, a little Hello Kitty gummy, some more like Hello Kitty candies. These are like little cookies. This right here is like a whole food tray. And then I have a little Hello Kitty bowl, some more Hello Kitty food stuff. I have yet to use this. It's like a little cookie cutter. It's so freaking cute. Down in this section is pretty much all like my skincare, makeup, all that good stuff. I have my Hello Kitty makeup bag. I have like feet mask back there. These are the Brad's lip masks. Just a bunch of little stuff. I'm honestly probably gonna do like a self-care video and use like all of my little masks and stuff. I think that'll be really cute. Then in here, I just have a bunch of stuff. My Ice Spice Chia Pet, my little Hello Kitty thing to water my flowers. I have a Hello Kitty coloring book, my Dork Diaries book, a Justin Bieber book back there. And I got some like notebooks and stuff, tripods, a bunch of stuff in there. Over here is just like more cups and bottles. I have my Holy Bible right here. Underneath it is like this cute little like planner that I need to honestly start writing in. I got it from Ramway, super cute. And then I have these little Hello Kitty drawers with all my glasses. I got some candles. I have so many more candles, y'all, but I literally cannot fit them all right here. So I have a bunch of them like behind my TV. I don't know if you guys can see, because I freaking love candles. I have this cute little Hello Kitty glasses case that my girlfriend got me. These are my little lighters for my candles. This is a wipe dispenser, but I have to restock on my wipes. I have this cute little fake plant. I think I got this from like Five Below, I'm not sure. Another little mug. And then I have this little sign right here. It's a little LED sign. My mom got this for me for my dorm room when I like first came to college. Literally so cute. It says J Diamond on it. And if you press the button in the back, it actually changes colors. Literally so stinking cute. I have some more bags up here. My little Hello Kitty garbage can. I feel like having a little garbage next to your bed and nightstand is honestly just like essential to your room. Do not regret buying that at all. Then I have my little Hello Kitty school bag that I take to class. These are my little slippers. I like to keep these by my bed because I love like house slippers. I hate walking on the floor. Like no matter how clean the floor is, I would rather wear slippers, y'all. And then this is my bed. Real cute and cozy. Got some cute Hello Kitty and Karomi pillows. My laptop. And this is my tapestry, y'all. I've literally been getting so many compliments on this tapestry. I got her from AliExpress. If you guys go on my AliExpress haul that I did, I literally have it linked in my description so y'all can customize your own. They did such a good freaking job, such good quality. I have some Hello Kitty paintings and all my plushies up there. I love these little curtains that I got. I actually got these from Shein, y'all. They're so cute. They're pink with hearts. And then over here, I have some more paintings. I love painting, y'all. I'm definitely gonna add some more on my walls. Then over here, I have my air fryer, microwave, and fridge. Me and my housemates do have a big fridge in the kitchen, but I honestly just need my own fridge in my room. I literally have another one too in the closet, but this is the bigger one, so I like to keep this one in my room. And then behind my other ring light, I just have my towel, my shower cap, and my little loofah. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. This is my room. And this is how my room looks with the pink light. I love this light. It literally just gives like a different vibe to my room. Like literally so freaking cute. This light because this is honestly giving really cute. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, this video was so freaking long overdue, but I'm glad that I finally am getting it up for you guys. Comment down below and let me know what you rate my room. What do you give it out of 10? Me personally, I love my room. It's my comfort space, so it's a 10 out of 10 for me. But let me know what you guys think. Also, comment any other video suggestions you guys might have for me. I'm on a roll. I'm uploading every Thursday now. I finally came up with a schedule for you guys, so it's gonna be every Thursday. But I'm honestly gonna try to upload more than once if I can. So just keep dropping those comments, y'all, and let me know what you guys want to see. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm doing a giveaway at 10K subscribers. If you guys want, you can click that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And yeah, I love you guys as always, and I'll see you in my next video.
I just gotta know, 'cause the time is money and I